Hi, dear parents. Today I'm going to talk about three important activities that we conduct in the nursery class. We believe that nursery is not only about writing or orals, but we believe that it's very important for a child to develop his physical readiness. We believe that if the child is engaged in extracurricular activities, the reflect of that result is shown in his academics as well. So, the activities which I will talk about today are three important activities. First one, jumping over the tire. Second, pinching sand. And third one is the sack race. All these three activities are very different from each other, but they help in the overall development of the child. Now, when we do this pinching activity, what we do is we take two plates, and in one plate there is sand and other plate is empty. Now the child has to pinch the sand and pick that sand and drop it in the empty plate. This activity goes from left to right, exactly in the position how we write. So what happens? The grip of the child with which he holds the pencil enhances. This helps the child to develop the grip when we give the pencil to the child. So we insist on pinching activities very much. So here the child has to take the sand in his pinch and drop it from left to right, left to right. This way his grip and his fine muscles are developed. At home also we request the parents to do these kind of activities which are very simple and very less time consuming. Second activity is jumping over the tire. Now what we do is we place tires in different places on the ground at Small Wonders, and we ask the children to jump with both the legs. So what happens? The entire body movement happens when they jump from over one tire to another. Plus they have to use their mind to make a judgment that whether their leg will fall on the tire or out of the tire. So the entire mind and body work is done in this activity. Now when you want to do this activity at home, you need one tire which is useless. From anywhere you can get that tire. You can keep that tire and ask the child to jump either with one leg or with both the legs. Next activity is the sport activity. It is a sack race. Sacks are given to the children. They have to go inside the sack and they have to hold the sack tightly and jump. This activity also helps the child to keep a balance. It's a balance activity wherein the mind and the body and the movement have to be equally balanced while they are jumping. If either of the balance is offbeat, the child will tend to fall. So this activity helps the child to develop all these three segments of his body, mind and movement. Now what happens? These activities indirectly reflect in their academics. It's not only just giving them the pencil and asking them to write, but when the child is developmentally ready, it will help us, it will make easier. The writing will be much easier. So we believe that parents also should give us a backup when we do these activities at home. Very soon I'll be posting the pictures also so that you all have an idea that how we conduct these activities at Small Wonders. Thank you very much, dear parents.